Hi everyone. Do you say myself Sam or I belong to Spain when you introduce yourself? Do you ask people on a video call, am I audible? In this video, I'll explain the right way to introduce yourself. Let's get started with informal conversation. When you meet someone casually, at a party, in a classroom or online, you'll want to sound warm, friendly, and interested in what they have to say. Try this. Hi, I'm Sam. What's your name? As the conversation unfolds, you can tell the person more details about yourself, such as, I'm from Spain. I love photography and hiking. How about you? Always ask the other person where they're from, what they do, and their interests. It shows curiosity and confidence, plus it sounds warm and friendly and keeps the conversation going. Don't say, myself Sam, or I have 3 family members. These phrases sound really unnatural in English. And if you're on a video call, don't ask the other attendees, am I audible? Instead, you can ask, can you hear me okay? And you can say, can you see me clearly? Now, let's talk about professional situations. In a professional setting, like in a meeting, we should introduce ourselves in a clear and confident way. Try this. Hello, I'm Anya. I'm an English teacher with 5 years' experience helping professionals speak confidently. Don't say, I belong to, and then your city and the country. Instead, say, I'm from Spain, for example. Don't share personal details like your date of birth or how many brothers and sisters you have. This information isn't needed in a professional context. Always keep it short, relevant, and focused on your job role and expertise. Now let's move on to job interviews. In a job interview, your introduction should have a good structure and only be related to the job. Here's a good example. Good morning, I'm Anya. I have a master's in English and 5 years' experience in training professionals. I'm passionate about helping people grow in confidence and communication. Avoid giving personal information like your partner's job or details about your family. That's not what the interviewer would like to hear. Remember to focus purely on your education, your experience, and show enthusiasm for the role. So next time someone says to you, tell me about yourself, you'll know exactly what to say. Thanks for watching. See you next time.